Happy New Year, guys. Today is on the 4th of January. If you're new here, my name is Wanjiru, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I'm super happy. My channel is growing. I was happy from last year, but nilikuwa nimeweka nilikuwa nimejiwekea hiyo furaha just being consistent for 1 month. I was able to gain 30 more subscribers from 70 to 101. I think that's a milestone. This year, we are back bigger and better. Quick update, we finally have a mic for our channel. Let me show you how the mic looks. This is how the mic looks. I got this mic from Jumia. Yeah. It comes in a set of 2. This one and the one that I'm wearing now. It also comes with an adapter. I don't know if it's an adapter or a what that you put on your phone. And then you also have, it also comes with a charger. Yeah, a Type-C charger. And that's it. And by the way, nimekumbuka, a friend of mine has a YouTube channel. Anaitwa Emmanuel Akama. He got monetized. I'm going to put his link here or his channel here so that you can follow him. Also on the description, I'll put it there so that you can follow him. Shout out to him. By the way, that guy, he's always liking my videos, commenting. Aish. Thank you, by the way. Thank you so much.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking.
Hi, good morning. So today is on 18th January and I'm just from nimekuja a certain event. It's like a boot camp. I was from working out. We're just working out tizi kidogo. So yeah, this year tulisema we are keeping it fair. So that was the plan. Now I'm going to work.